Hey y'all, it's Gurmu. Today we're unlocking the secret to instant power. A bold lip. It's more than color. It's confidence, a statement, a mood. When life feels chaotic, a sharp, vibrant lip pulls you together and gets you ready for anything. We'll break down the real tricks that make your bold lip unforgettable. Visuals will guide you, so grab a mirror and let's dive in. Let's make some magic. Before you reach for that killer shade, that show-stopping color that's going to complete your look, let's talk about the crucial first step. Prep is everything. It's the unsung hero of any successful lip look, especially when you're going bold. Dry, flaky lips ruin even the best color. That perfect red, that daring purple, that sophisticated nude, they all fall flat if your lips aren't smooth and hydrated. So exfoliate! Get rid of that dead skin and create a smooth canvas. Use a DIY sugar scrub. It's easy, affordable, and you probably have all the ingredients in your pantry already. Or a store-bought one if you prefer the convenience. There are tons of great options out there, from gentle scrubs to more intensive treatments. Gently buffing away dead skin is key. Don't scrub too hard. You don't want to irritate your delicate lip skin. This smooths your lips and lets color shine. It creates the perfect base for your lipstick to adhere to. Next, moisturize deeply with a nourishing balm. This step is non-negotiable. Think shea butter. It's incredibly hydrating and helps to heal dry, cracked lips, or vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant helps to protect your lips from environmental damage and keeps them looking healthy. Let it absorb for a few minutes before applying color. Give those nourishing ingredients time to really sink in and work their magic. Hydrated lips look better and hold color longer. Plus, they feel so much more comfortable. If you're in a rush, apply balm. Even a quick swipe is better than nothing. Do your makeup, giving the balm time to work its magic while you focus on the rest of your face. Then blot off excess before lipstick. This prevents your lipstick from sliding around and ensures a smooth, even application. This quick routine transforms your bold lip game. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Exfoliate, moisturize, and you're set for a flawless finish. Your lipstick will glide on like a dream and last for hours. Don't skip this step. It's the foundation for everything that follows. It's the secret to a perfect pout. Trust me, your lips will thank you. They'll feel softer, smoother, and look absolutely stunning. Ready for the next step? Let's get that color on. Now let's talk structure. We're diving into the architecture of a perfect pout, and the unsung hero of this construction is, without a doubt, lip liner. Lip liner is your best friend, your steadfast companion, especially when you're aiming for bold, statement-making lips. It's the key to unlocking a look that's both polished and powerful. It defines edges, giving your lips a crisp, clean border that prevents your lipstick from looking messy or undefined. Think of it as creating a frame for a masterpiece. It prevents feathering, that annoying bleed of lipstick into the fine lines around your mouth. No one wants that. Lip liner acts as a barrier, keeping your color where it belongs. And it keeps color in place, ensuring your bold lip look lasts longer and stays vibrant throughout the day or night. It's like a primer for your lipstick, giving it something to hold on to. Think of it as the blueprint for your lipstick. It's the foundation upon which you build your entire lip look, providing structure and longevity. Choose a liner that matches your lipstick shade for a seamless, natural-looking blend. This ensures that even as your lipstick wears, you'll still have a beautiful base of color. Or if you're feeling adventurous, choose one that is slightly darker than your lipstick for fuller-looking lips. This creates a subtle contour that adds dimension and volume. Start with a sharpened pencil. A sharp point allows for precise application and clean lines, which are essential for achieving a polished look. And gently trace your natural lip line. Follow the curves and contours of your lips, staying as close to your natural shape as possible for a flattering result. For extra staying power, especially if you're planning a long day or a special event, fill in your lips completely with the liner before applying lipstick. This simple step makes a world of difference. This creates a base that grips color and prevents fading, ensuring your bold lip stays put for hours on end. It's like creating a stain underneath your lipstick. Lip liner also lets you subtly shape and perfect your lips, enhancing your natural shape or correcting minor imperfections. Just don't overdo it. The key is to enhance, not drastically alter, your natural lip shape for a believable and flattering result. Experiment with shades and techniques to find what flatters you most. Play around with different colors and application methods to discover your signature lip look. The goal: crisp, defined, and impactful lips. Lips that command attention and exude confidence. Don't skip liner. It's the secret to a pro-level bold lip. It's the difference between a good lip look and a truly stunning one. Ready to pick your power shade? Let's go. It's time to explore the world of color and find the perfect hue to express your unique style. On to color. Let's dive into the exciting realm of lipsticks and discover the shades that will make your lips pop. So, you're ready to embrace a bolder lip? Excellent! Choosing your bold shade is a journey of self-discovery and a whole lot of fun. It's about finding that perfect color that not only complements your look, but also reflects your personality. This is where the real fun begins. It's time to dive into the world of color and explore the endless possibilities that await you. Reds, plums, fuchsias, the options are endless. Each color tells a different story, evokes a different mood. Pick what excites you, what makes your heart sing when you see it. Don't be afraid to experiment and step outside of your comfort zone. But before you commit, consider your undertone. Understanding your undertone can help you narrow down your choices and find shades that truly flatter your complexion. Cool undertones? Look closely at the veins on your wrist. If they appear blue, you likely have cool undertones. Try blue-based reds or berries. These shades will complement your cool complexion and enhance your natural beauty. Warm undertones? If your veins appear more green, you probably have warm undertones. Go for orange reds, corals, or terracottas. These warm shades will bring out the golden tones in your skin and create a radiant glow. Neutral? Lucky you. You have the best of both worlds. Almost anything works. You can experiment with a wide range of colors and find what suits your personal style. Deeper skin tones shine, and they shine brightly with the right lip color, in rich berries, wines, and vibrant oranges. These shades pop against deeper complexions and create a stunning, unforgettable look. Swatch shades on your arm or the back of your hand to get a better sense of how they look against your skin. To see what makes you feel amazing. Pay attention to how the color makes you feel. Does it make you feel confident, powerful, or beautiful? Guidelines help. They provide a starting point, but confidence is key. It's the ultimate accessory. Wear what you love, what makes you feel good about yourself. The right color is the one that speaks to you, that resonates with your inner self, that makes you feel unstoppable. It's the color that empowers you to take on the world with confidence and grace. Now that you've found your perfect shade, let's get precise with application and create a flawless, long-lasting look. Application time. Precision is a must for bold lips. Use a lip brush for control, especially at the edges and Cupid's bow. Start at the center, build color outward, and follow your liner. Thin layers work best. Build intensity gradually. Check from different angles for even coverage. For extra pop, add a final swipe to the center. The goal: sharp, even, and intentional color. Take your time. This step makes all the difference. Ready to lock it in? Let's talk staying power. Want your bold lip to last? Blot and layer. After your first coat, gently blot with a tissue to remove excess oils. Apply a second thin layer for richer, longer-lasting color. For extra endurance, repeat the blot and layer once more. This technique prevents fading and keeps color vibrant. It also helps avoid that dreaded inner lip fade. Just a minute more effort, but the payoff is huge. Your lips stay bold and beautiful for hours. Now, let's perfect those edges. Almost done. Even pros need to clean up. Don't skip this step. Use a small brush and concealer to sharpen your lip line. Trace around the edges for a crisp, flawless finish. For tiny smudges, a pointed cotton swab works wonders. Blend concealer into your skin for a seamless look. This detail makes your bold lip look polished and pro. Little fixes equal sign big impact. Now, the final ingredient: confidence. The most important step: confidence. A bold lip is a statement. Own it. If you're new, wear it at home first, then out and about. Smile, stand tall, and let your color empower you. Makeup is self-expression. If you love it, that's all that matters. Confidence transforms your look from great to unforgettable. Don't worry about stares. Embrace your unique style. The right attitude makes your bold lip truly shine. You've got the skills. Now rock that look. Let's wrap it up. That's how you master the bold lip start to finish. Try these tips, experiment, and have fun expressing yourself. Share your favorite shades and looks in the comments. Like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Until next time, keep shining and stay bold. Your bold lip journey starts now.